Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals Part 4. You will see multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. See the problem. Find 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. Both are proper fractions. Here. So both fractions you have denominator more than the numerator, means proper fraction. How to multiply the proper fraction? The previous part also I thought you clear. Always you should multiply numerator into numerator, 2 into 1 by denominator into denominator, 3 into 5. That is 2 into 1, 2 by 3 into 5, 15. 2 by 15. Okay. You see this one how to multiply. Same way. But before multiplying you should check the numerator and the denominator. You see numerator here 3, here denominator 3. So you can cancel it. If you have same number in the numerator and the denominator, means you can cancel it. Same way here you have common factor also, you can cancel it. This will go 1 time, this will go 2 times. So better you have to simplify like this. Then you should multiply, means it will be easy. So now you multiply 1 into 1, okay, 1 by 2 into 1, 2. Always when you want to cancel, you should write 1 here, okay. This will go 3 table 1 time, here 3 table 1 time. So 1 into 1, 1, and 2 into 1, 2. So that easily you can multiply. Sometime what you will do means you will forget to write numerator. Simply you will write 2. That is wrong. That's why better you write 1 here. When you cancel 1 you write, so that easily you can multiply and you will not get a mistake. You see both are improper fraction into proper fractions. Improper fraction into proper fraction, how to multiply, you see. Okay. Same way here you cannot simplify at all. So what you have to do is just you multiply the numerator. Numerator into numerator. 8 into 4 by denominator into denominator. So what you will get? 32. 32 by 21. This is also what improper fraction. So you can divide. 32 divided by 21, it will go 1 time. What is the remainder? In 32, only 121 is there. So what is the remainder here? 11. So 11 by 21. You can just take this. So you can always, when you have improper fraction, you convert into mixed fraction. Clear? You have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. So now we will see 2 mixed fraction how to multiply. Okay. So first you have to convert into improper fraction. So how will you convert 6 plus 1? 7. 7 by 3 into 15 into 2, 30. Oh, sorry, 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 by 5. Here also we cannot do simplification. So simply multiply the numerator. Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So how much it will be? 49 divided 4, 11. 119 by 15. So in 119, how many 15 there? So how many 15 there? 7 15 there. Okay, what is the remainder? 14. 14 by 15. 7 15s are 105. 105. The remainder is 14. Okay, 119 minus 105. The remainder 14. Then 15. Okay. Now we will see the exercise 2.3. First problem, find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, then 3 by 5, then 4 by 3. 1 by 1 we will see. See first 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of means into 1 by 4. Same way numerator into numerator 1. Denominator and denominator 16. 4 into 4, 16. Then B 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. Numerator into numerator. That is 1 into 3, 3. 4 into 5, 20. Next we will see 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. Here you see numerator and denominator same number you have. So cancel it. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 3, 3. You see here next problem. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. How to can reduce into lowest form. You see one proper fraction and a mixed fraction. How to multiply you see. This you change into improper fraction means 6 plus 2 8 8 by 3. So correctly multiply then add the numerator. Okay. Now 2 into 8 16 by 3 9. So now you divide in 69 only one time will go. So what's the remainder? 7 by 9. Same denominator you get 1 7 by 9. So here improper fraction change into mixed fraction. Clear? You see this problem 2 by 7 into 7 by 9 is there. So numerator denominator same. So straight away you can cancel it. If you cancel means one time will go. One time will go. So 2 into 1 2 by 1 into 9 9. 2 by 9. It is proper fraction. You see this problem here 8 denominator 8 6 is there. So there is a common factor. That is you can the common factor is for 2. So in 2 table you can easily divide. This will go 2 table 3 times. This will go 4 times. Okay. So 3 into 3 9 by 4 into 4 16. Okay. You see this problem. Numerator into numerator. We cannot see the numbers. We cannot simplify at all. So that numerator into numerator multiply means 27 by denominator into denominator 25. How many times there will go? One time. So remainder is 2. 2 by 25. Change into mixed fraction. You see the next problem. Third problem. First problem you see 2 by 5 into mixed fraction, that is 5 1 by 4. Change into improper fraction. That means multiply 20 20 plus 1 21 21 by 4. Now you see here you have common factor. 2 table it will go one time, it will go 2 times. So 1 into 21 21 by 2 5 into 2 10. So 2 times can divide. That means 2 the remainder is 1 1 2 1 by 10. Come to second problem. 6 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. Here also you have mixed fraction. Change it first. 30 plus 2 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. Here also what we cannot simplify. So that multiply. 32 into 7 14 carry 1 21 22 by 45. So in 224 how many 45 there? 4 45 there. So 45 into 4 180. So the remainder is 44. 44 by 45. 44 by 45. The mixed fraction. See this is a improper fraction. Change into mixed fraction. Okay. So correctly how to divide? The quotient you write. Then the remainder by divisor. How to write? Then the third one is this also change it. 15 16 by 3. So here you see numerator denominator you have 3. Cancel it. Cancel it means you write 1. That is better. So that what you can avoid mistake. Here also in 2 table. So it will go 8 times. It will go 1 time. Okay. So 1 into 8 8. 1 into 1 1. That is 8. You see the next problem. Which is greater? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So first we have to what? Multiply. Here. Then we have to compare the denominator. Okay, you have to make the what denominator as same. Then you have to compare the numerator. So first what you have to do is write this number Half means into. So here 2 table, 1 time will go. This is 2 times. 1 into 3, 3. Then 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 2, 14 is a proper fraction. And 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. This also you see numerator denominator same number. So you can cancel it. So 3 into 1, 3 by 1 into 8, 8. Now only what you have to make the denominator as same. Okay, you have to make the denominator same. You take it better LCM. Okay, 14, 8 LCM you take. Means 2 tables 7 times. This one 4 times. Again 2 tables 7, 2. Okay, so 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 7, 28. 28 into 2, 56 LCM. LCM 56. So you can make the denominator as what 56. Both the number denominator we can easily make 56. Okay, so that you write 3 by 14. First you write 3 by 14. You have to make 56 means how much you have to multiply? 4 times. So 3 into 4 by 14 into 4. So how much here? 12 by 56. Okay, 12 by 56. Same way here, 8 is there. 8 is there means to make 56, how much you will multiply here? To make 56, how much? 7. Okay, 8 sevens are 56. So 21 by 56. So here when the denominator are same, okay, numerator compare the numerator which is greater. 21 is greater. Therefore 21 greater means, so this part, that is second one, that is R part is greater. Okay, therefore since 21 by 56 greater than 12 by 56, therefore 3 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. So very important problems. Clear? This is very important problem. First you have to convert into that fraction. Then you have to compare. We will comparing, make the denominator same. Then we will compare the numerator. It will be easy. Okay. You see the next problem, sixth problem, statement problem. Okay. Read the problem properly. Okay. What is given in the problem? Okay. Read properly. Deepika reads a book for 1 3 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. Then how many hours in all were required by her to read the book? That means 6 hours, 6 days. Okay, how many hours she will read the book? You have to find out. You see, Deepika reads a book in 1 day is given. 1 3 by 4 hours. Therefore, Deepika reads a book in 6 days means multiply by 6. 1 day means this much hour given. So 6 days means 6 multiply. Then easily you can simplify. You change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 4. So now we can simplify here. Here 6 by 1 is there. See the numerator. In the numerator it is common. The common factor you have. This will go into table 2 times. This will go 3 times. Okay. So that means that is equal to 3 into 7, 21 by 2. 21 by 2 also you can change into mixed fraction. Means how much it will be 10 times. Then remainder 1. 10, 1 by 2 hours. So 10, 1 by 2 hours. So she takes to read the book in 6 days. That is 10, 1 by 2 hours. 10 and a half hours. Okay. That's all. So next we are going to see very important problem. A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. That means distance covered by a car in 1 liter, that is 16 kilometers. Then how much distance will it cover using this much liter of petrol? So you have to find out this much liter of petrol, how much distance it will be covered. Here, so you write distance covered by a car. In 1 liter of petrol. In 1 liter of petrol. Distance covered by a car in 1 liter of petrol. How much kilometer? 16 kilometer. Therefore, distance covered by a car in this much liter of petrol, that is 2 3/4 liter of petrol, is equal to this much liter into 16. You have to multiply. That is 2 3/4 into 16. So 1 liter means this much. This one, this much liter means you have to multiply. Then only we will get the answer. So first to change 8 plus 11/4, right? Into 6. Okay, now straight away you should not cancel. First what, change this mixed fraction into fraction. Okay, improper fraction. That is 8, 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, plus 3, 11. 11/4 into 16. Now in 4 table you can cancel. 4 table it will go 1 time. This will go 4 times. So now 11 into 4, 44. 1 into 1 by 1. That is no need to write. Okay, 44 kilometer. 44 kilometers. So very important problem. Okay, prepare well. So like this I will give some more problems as homework. Okay, do the homework for better practice.